Welcome back. This is my go-to everyday makeup look. So here I'm just priming my eyelids with the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and then I blend it out with a Real Techniques Deluxe Eye Brush or Deluxe Crease Brush, I'm not sure. Now I'm just setting my eyelids with the Mary Kay translucent powder. And here I'm just sweeping away the excess powder with my Wet n Wild brush. So I'm just taking the color Stroke and blending it throughout my crease, and eventually I'm going to put it on my lid. So here I'm just deepening up the crease, and I'm using a Wet n Wild blending brush to do this. I'm using an e.l.f. brush to pat the same color on the lid. So here you may notice that the foundation does look a little orange, but after I highlight and conceal, you can't even tell the difference. It looks perfect. And this foundation is light to full coverage, so it all just depends on how much foundation you do apply. And I was going for a more full coverage look, that's why I applied so much. And while you're blending your foundation, you can't neglect your neck or your hairline. That's the only way it's going to look natural. So with the concealer, you already know, I apply the concealer and then I let it sit for about 30 to 40 seconds to make it more full coverage, and then I blend. So now I'm just setting my neck and the rest of my face with the same powder but using a Wet n Wild brush. So here I'm taking this eyeshadow palette and I'm using these 3 shades, Kim, Ari, and Eve, I believe, just as a bronzer to bronze my cheeks, neck, and forehead. After I'm done bronzing, I just go back in and set my smile lines because I did forget to do that before. And then now I'm taking the ABH Modern Renaissance in the color Primavera to highlight my nose, and I just put a little on the tip and a little bit on the bridge, and that gives the illusion of a more snatched nose. So here I'm using the Sun Dipped Glow Kit, and I don't really like this highlight kit at all. I'm not sure why I decided to use this one. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it yet. It doesn't give me a nice blinding glow. And this is on a NYX number 24 brush, I believe. So here I'm attempting to do eyeliner on camera, but then I get upset that I messed up, so I do the rest off camera, and I apply my lashes, which will be linked in the description box because they don't have a name. And then for bottom mascara, I use the L'Oreal Telescopic. So let me warn you, now it gets awkward. It looks like I'm looking directly into the camera, but actually there's a mirror behind the camera, and it's kind of awkward because I'm not blinking. But this is how I do my famous ombre-ish nude lip. I take the liner on the outsides and then color only the outsides, and I put a lighter color in the middle, and I just smush my lips together. And also, if you see me look to my left or to my right, there is a mirror on both sides, and then there is one in front of me, and then of course I'm holding one, so sorry about that. Yes, I'm smelling the lipstick. To me, it smells kind of like cake. And I'm just touching up the liner. Now we're going into my favorite part, which is a glitter inner corner. If you know, you know. So first, I always start with Trophy Wife by Fenty Beauty, and then I go in with the Revlon Eye Art. And I only use a little bit of the eye art because it does peel when it dries, kind of, so I only use a tiny amount. And after I apply this eye art, that would be the end of the look, and I want to say thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look. And I just want to rephrase that I don't wear makeup every day, but every day that I do wear makeup, this is the look I turn to. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. And also don't forget to check out my recent video if you haven't already.